Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to disable auto app update on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now just scroll down and tap on settings. From here just tap on network preferences. Now just tap on auto update apps. From here, just select Do Not Auto Update Apps. Just like that. And once you select this option, you will disable the Auto Update App feature on your smartphone. And this is how you can disable Auto Update App on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.